During the budget presentation in Parliament, the government has recognised important ongoing reforms to enhance outcomes for Papua New Guinea. And this will continue its ambitious reform agenda throughout 2016. As part of this ongoing effort and commitment, the government has commenced a 2-week review, the competition review and the financial sector service review, respectively. These reviews combined will arm the government with a program for reform that will improve the environment for PNG businesses, both private and public, in the future. Kevin Dayonga reports.
The government is also committed to public sector reforms that will enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the public sector.
We must maintain our trend back to a balanced budget. We must be wary of excessive debt and its rising cost, and stick to a ceiling of 35% of debt to GDP. We must see this situation as a chance to push some reforms in terms of revenue collection and expenditure cuts and efficiencies. The debt portfolio must be restructured and brought properly under the full oversight of Treasury. The automatic growth in the public service, particularly in Waigani, must be stopped, questioned and justified. The government payroll must be cleaned up. Obviously, in response, we should also continue our plans and intention to move to a more broad-based and value-adding economy.
One of the planned reforms is that the government to undertake an amalgamation of government agencies with duplicate functions in 2016. These efforts will also be needed to implement the one position, one salary principle to eliminate an estimated several thousand ghost employees in the public sector.
We need to take on a paradigm shift in development thinking and respond in a smarter way to this global challenge.
In addition, the government will monitor existing reforms that will ensure they achieve their objectives and explore areas for further reforms. This will provide a stable investment climate that promotes a competitive and dynamic private sector, as well as will continue to improve impediments to doing business and investments in PNG. It is anticipated that these reforms will set the foundation for greater transparency and accountability by departments and ultimately better service delivery for the people of Papua New Guinea. Kevin Dayonga, NBC National News, Port Moresby.